Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. I am back with another video, how I teach online. So let's get started. As we all know that due to pandemic situation of the country, all school and colleges are closed. But we are thankfully blessed with technology for that we can do or take classes in online mode. I also take classes through online. Here are some glimpses of that class that are how I take online classes. As I am a teacher, I need to take class regularly. Here I am teaching the student of class 2. My subject is English. Our online classes are hosted by the respective host. He or she starts the class, then I need to join in through links. You have just seen that I was writing on the board regarding all the class details. So we need to write school's name instead of online live classes. But here I don't want to disclose the name of the school. After doing the board work, I joined my class. Look, I'm joining class through links. After joining, I greet each and every student regularly. I'm starting my class. Mritul, Janvi, Swamprabha, please sit in your place. Good morning. Mritul, Vidipta, Dhruvesh, Mayuk, Shlok Bhattacharya. Good morning. Reed, Ambika, Dhiya, Bipradeep. Good morning. Good morning. This class is particularly a revision class, not a regular class, because exams are going and our school conducts exams through online mode that includes MCQ, pen and paper test, projects, etc., which they need to upload in suggested apps. Let's start our class. So today is your dictation test, right? So everyone please be prepared for that. When I will say the dictation word, I will repeat it by 3 times, okay? So don't get confused, don't get nervous. I will repeat it 3 times. So you have to listen it carefully. Don't be in hurry. Okay, so let's revise our chapters. So our chapters are Giant Jumbo Jet, Two Goats and Ravi Breaks His Leg, right? These 3 chapters are there. So One Giant Jumbo Jet is a poem, right? So you have to practice reading of Giant Jumbo Jet. Okay. Now the Ravi Breaks His Leg. I have to recap all the chapters from their book. So I am recapping all the chapters by telling or narrating the story of the they both read chapters. Together, right? They are the best friends. And one day while Ravi playing on the ground, he slipped and fell down. So let's move on to the dictation
As I am
part.
going to conduct a dictation test,
So
here I am instructing all of them to take out their
belongings
belongings so that they can write their dictation words
All
properly.
of you must take out pencil, eraser and copy. Vidipta, Dhruvesh, are you ready? Those who are ready, please raise your hand. I mean to say, give me thumbs up sign. Yes, Shlok 1 is ready. Reed, Dhiya, Bipradeep, Atika.
Here, the student is telling her doubts regarding the chapters, and I need to clear out all the doubts of her. For clearing out her doubt, she need to raise her hand so that I can be able to see her or her hand and I need to unmute her to ask her doubts. I'm making this portion little bit fast forwarding.
Everyone is ready. Okay, good. Nairikta, Zaheen. Before moving to dictation part, again I am repeating that do not panic. Okay, ma'am will repeat 3 times, more than 3 times. So don't get panic. I'm not able to writing. I can't hear it. I can't see it. Okay, so don't panic. Ma'am will repeat many times. So everyone,
as they
start.
are very small, I need
Ready?
to repeat each and every sentence 2
let's
or
get
more than
started.
2 times so that they will be able to understand what I am speaking.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, start. Number first word is argument. Number first word is argument. I am watching who is writing, who is not. Number first word is argument. Number first word is argument. Done everyone? Nairikta, Bipradeep, Dhiya, done? Okay, I'm asking everybody. Shlok 1 done. Zaheen, Ahit, Jui, Ubadri, done? Okay. Shaumitro, Shomjit, Vinayak, Sanjukta, Tanish, Shobham, done?
Here I am asking each and every student whether they have written all the dictation words or not, because sometimes what happens due to network issue, classes remain stopped. So this way I finish my class for the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye everyone. We will be meeting with a new video with a new topic.